Hello, and welcome to Wing Tips. Last time, we introduced the Wingtra CLOUD platform. Today, we are going to go into more detail and explain exactly how it helps your entire organization become more efficient. Wingtra CLOUD spans far beyond simply flying your Wingtra system to collect aerial data. It promises to simplify complex drone operations from pre-flight planning to aerial data collection through sharing actionable insights, which in the past required several tools across the entire workflow. In fact, as Wingtra CLOUD continues to evolve, it will put all of these tools in one simple, scalable workflow. But you may be wondering, why is it so essential to simplify one's drone operations, and what makes Wingtra CLOUD so unique in doing this? First of all, simplifying operations across the entire workflow is one of the key challenges that Wingtra customers have shared with our engineers through extensive research. The aim of Wingtra CLOUD is to make aerial data easy to capture and share in order to execute on demand, whether you are a massive multinational company or a smaller operation. Every feature in Wingtra CLOUD is designed to save time, enabling better decision-making and allowing organizations to take on more projects and scale more efficiently. Additionally, in combination with the Wingtra One Gen 2 drone, Wingtra CLOUD gives you the peace of mind that your team has one integrated platform that is safe and delivers the results you need. So exactly how does Wingtra CLOUD work cross-functionally within your organization? For the collectors of data, like surveyors and drone pilots, hyper-intuitive planning tools like color-coded elevation graphs and 3D views that enable instant evaluation of GSD and safety parameters empower pilots at all levels to fly with confidence in order to collect and deliver data with certainty. Sharing tools further this by enabling supervisors and more experienced pilots to instantly weigh in on planning and share insights around complicated zones. For the users of data, like GIS and engineering professionals, these same planning tools allow for instant access when synced from anywhere in the world. This ensures that everyone is communicating and making decisions based on the most up-to-date and accurate data. Wingtra CLOUD precisely reflects what's happening on the ground at any given time, so there's no more version control issues or waiting across time zones for verification. Additionally, for managers and strategic leaders, they will gain access to valuable, easy-to-interpret insights which are organized by sites rather than by files. This assists in making timely decisions across every project, which can ultimately lead to better margins. The tools within Wingtra CLOUD offer clear oversight and an intuitive user experience, which helps to facilitate rapid adoption across your entire organization, leading to smoother, more cost-effective operations, increased productivity, and organic scaling. If you are tired of hassles and wasted time around your organization's aerial data capture, setup, and sharing, and if boosting productivity and profitability sounds like something that could benefit your organization, then Wingtra CLOUD might be right for you. Wingtra CLOUD is rolling out right now. To gain early access to the software before its full global public release, visit our website to opt in today. I hope you have found today's video on the Wingtra CLOUD platform useful, and I'll see you next time for more Wing Tips.